Lights say. Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this beautiful look. This is the smoky eye look which I have created, and this look we are gonna create in this makeup video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Okay, wait. So before we proceed further, please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't, and also press the bell icon so that whenever I post any of the videos in future, you will be notified. Just head to watch the video. Okay, so I'm done with my base. मेरा base हो चुका है complete. I have applied the moisturizer, the sunscreen, and now सबसे पहले what we are gonna do, we will be starting this makeup from our eyes. तो सबसे पहले we'll be concealing our eyes first. This is the concealer which I'm using, and I'll be mentioning all of the products in the description. So do check it out. गाइज दिस ट्यूटोरियल इज समथिंग जो आप इजीली और बहुत जल्दी कर सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट गोना टेक मच ऑफ योर टाइम. सो आप इस वीडियो को प्लीज़ एंड तक देखिए. ओके, सो वी हैव कंसील्ड आवर आईज. Before starting applying any eyeshadow, we have to set that concealer with the help of this any of the loose powder or compact. So I'm just setting it with the compact. इससे क्या होता है ना कि जो आई शेडो आप अप्लाई करते हैं वो इजीली ब्लेंड होता है. तुम भी सीख रहे हो ना? ओके, डन. So what next? First I'm using this light shade, and simply I'll be spreading it all over my eyes. This is a blending brush which I'm using. It's from Rene, and it's in the number R5. Next I'm gonna use this color, and simply I'm gonna remove the excess, and we're just gonna dab it, press it here. Just this. The same I'm gonna do this side. Done. Now with this product only, I'm gonna smudge it into the inner corner. अब हम लोग ये शेड लेंगे, this one, this darker one, and we'll do the same thing. We'll be just applying it like this. Okay, just like this, in that arch direction. You can see this direction from here to here. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? I'm taking this small eyeshadow brush which is from Rene in the number R8. This is the brush, you can see, and we'll take this black color and we will gently apply it on our eyes like this. इसको आप gently press कीजिए, and we have to make a crease kind of effect. The way which I'm applying, with the same brush with which I have applied the eyeshadows earlier, same blending brush से we'll blend it. Okay, we'll blend it from here to here. We'll be just blending both of the colors, which is this brown and this black. मेक श्योर करना है कि दोनों प्रोडक्ट अलग नहीं लगना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट मेक अ डिफरेंस ऑफ द क्रीज इफेक्ट और समथिंग. वी हैव टू ब्लेंड इट वेरी प्रॉपर्ली लाइक दिस. This blending is gonna take time, but the effect which will come, you will love it. We have to focus more on the outer corners. Both sides are done. Now what next we are gonna do, we'll be taking the same color, this one, and we'll be blending like this. Now the last step for the shadow thing, which we are gonna do is we'll be taking these two glitter shades, these two, and with that small eyeshadow brush, which is in our 8 number, we are gonna apply the glitter from here till here. It's done. Now what next we are gonna do is we'll be applying liner. It should not be too thick. बहुत ज़्यादा आपको ये liner निकालना नहीं है इधर से, कोई cat eye liner या फिर winged liner, we are not gonna make that. Now by the time our eyeliner is drying, तब तक हम अपना brows कर लेंगे. First you have to brush it, then please don't start doing your brows from here because it literally looks very fake, you can say, और वो बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो आपको अपना आईब्रोज जब भी बनाना है, you have to start it from here. Now we are gonna apply the mascara. And guys, abhi still I'm confused that whether I'm gonna apply the falsies or not. It's up to you. अगर मस्कारा से ही आपके आई लैशेज एक्स्ट्रा वॉल्यूमिनस और बड़े लगते हैं, देन डोंट गो फॉर द फॉल्सीज. सो आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग आउट. अगर इसी से काम हो जाता है देन दैट्स गुड, अदरवाइज आई एम गोना अप्लाई द फॉल्सीज. I think I'll go with mascara only. I won't be applying the falsies. Now the next, or say probably the last step for the eye makeup, we're gonna take the kajal and we'll be applying on the upper side. Now we'll quickly do our face. So first I'll remove the excess product which have fallen. Now I'm going to use serum. You can also use the moisturizer. Now the first thing first, I'm gonna use the corrector because I have a lot of dark circles. So I'm taking the orange corrector first and I'm applying it on my dark circles. This I'm applying with the large eyeshadow brush which is of Rene and it's in the number R7. Please don't judge that I've applied a lot of corrector or anything. If you are thinking, just trust the process and watch this video till the end. This I have done. The same corrector I'm gonna apply here, and this is the Pro Concealer palette which is from Inside Cosmetics. I'm applying it a little bit here, here, and on few of my pimple marks. Now simply I'm gonna blend it. Don't leave it this way and don't just तुरंत इसके बाद don't apply the foundation. पहले आपको ये blend करना है properly and then only go for the foundation application. अब उसी palette से I'm taking the concealer. And जहाँ जहाँ पे मैंने corrector apply किया था, there I'm applying this concealer. And हम इसको भी blend करेंगे properly with the same beauty blender which I'm using. The next step, we will apply foundation. So here I'm taking the Maybelline foundation. Same eyeshadow brush. First I'm gonna evenly spread it all over this way. on the neck as well. And now we are gonna blend it. Guys, please blending up properly karo. Yes, it will take time, but this is the only key for your flawless makeup. अगर blending properly नहीं है, of course your makeup will look very cakey. And if you're feeling it dry, अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि फाउंडेशन आपका बहुत ड्राई हो रहा है, अगर आप ब्लेंड कर रहे हैं, you can even use the spray, the makeup spray or the setting spray before blending it. I guess थोड़ा फाउंडेशन और अप्लाई. Even I'm gonna apply the concealer also now. तो सारा कुछ एक साथ ही blend हो जाएगा. Concealer is also from Maybelline. I'm using this makeup fixer because I'm feeling my foundation is a little bit of dry. And now I'm gonna blend it. Everything is blending so nicely and I'm just loving it. Waiting for the final result, that how the complete look is gonna be. Now we'll do thoda sa contouring. Though I don't do contouring, but as it is a glam look we are creating here, so thoda sa I'll do. We have to go this direction, this way. Seeing this. For blush, I'm gonna use this lip shade. Now we are gonna use the loose powder and we'll set the look which I'm using. It's from Sugar. We'll be applying it first under the eyes. Okay, so let it set, let it just bake for a bit. So I'm taking the same brush which I have used to do my eyes. Simply taking this brush and blending it here. So that we get a little smoky effect under the eye as well. If you want that वो ज़्यादा thick होके यहाँ तक ना दिखे, you have to make this brush this way and then you have to just, it's done. I'll be applying white kajal in my water lids. Now the eyes are done, and the last step which we are going to do is our lipstick. I'm going to use this lip liner first. इससे मैं अपना lip outline करूँगी. इनर कॉर्नर्स पे सेम लाइनर से हम लोग थोड़ा फिल करेंगे. I'm going to use this lip shade and we'll fill it all over. shall we go with the gloss or keep it the same way, the matte one? I think we'll go with the gloss because we are creating a glam look over here. So we'll be applying gloss as well. Perfect. Now quickly we'll be removing any excess loose powder. Now we'll be applying the powdered blush. It is the blush brush from Rene in the shade R2. I'm taking this blush from MAC and gently we're gonna a little here on the nose and on the chin as well. Next thing, we are gonna apply this highlighter. It is the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. First, we will be applying the highlighter here. Here's a trick that you're gonna blend this highlighter as well, so that ये बहुत ज़्यादा extra powdery या फिर बहुत glittery ऐसे particles ना दिखे. ये आपको ऐसा natural glow type दिखना चाहिए skin पे. So we are just gonna blend it from this blush brush. सेम थिंग विल डू विद द डैम्प ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर एज वेल, क्योंकि अगर बाय द वे कुछ पार्टिकल्स ब्रश से भी रह गए हों तो दिस विल फिक्स ऑल ऑफ देम एंड इट्स डन. नाउ द लास्ट स्टेप, we will pack all of the products which we have applied, and for this I'm going to use this micro finish makeup fixer which is from PAC, and this is just amazing. If you are searching for any of the makeup fixer, that too in budget, just blindly go for it. This is the best, guys. Even I was confused that which makeup fixer to use, and then I stopped by here, and this is the best one. This and one more I use, which is from Smashbox. Just these two of them. See, it's giving such a nice glow here. I'm just shooting it from my camera. That's it. No filter is used, and you can see how flawless my makeup is looking. So I'll be just doing my hair quickly and I'll be back. Guys, I'm in just love with the results and the outcome. You can see the look, the eye look especially. The rest of the makeup is quite subtle. We have not done the lips very bold. It should go with the look, so I haven't opted for a bold pop kind of colors. Okay guys, do let me know if you love this look of mine. Comment below, like this video, share this to your friends, and if you have followed the steps completely in the tutorial here, you can tag me sharing the pictures on Instagram. This is my Insta handle over here, and I'll be resharing, I'll be reposting all of your pictures. So yeah, see you all there. Love you all. Bye bye.